students. So in today's lecture we shall be learning about the biosynthesis of thyroid hormones. So how these thyroid hormones, mainly thyroxine known as tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine, these are namely T3 and T4. The T3 being triiodothyronine and T4 being thyroxine, also known as tetraiodothyronine. So these are the two thyroid hormones which are biosynthesized from tyrosine residues of the protein thyroglobulin. So thyroglobulin is the protein that is responsible. So let us start this from thyroglobulin protein molecule. So these are the tyrosine residues. So this is referred to as tyrosine residue. Now this tyrosine residue, in presence of active iodine and hydrogen peroxide molecule, it leads to formation of two intermediates, so active iodine and a molecule of hydrogen peroxide. They leads to formation of thyroglobulins known as monoiodotyrosine and diiodotyrosine. So first will be the formation of monoiodotyrosine. Here is an attachment of one activated iodine molecule and this is known as monoiodotyrosine. Whereas the second is formation of diiodotyrosine. So the two iodines, activated iodines, will be attached here, and this is the structure of diiodotyrosine. So now they are synthesized separately to the triiodothyronine and thyroxine molecules. So first of all, let us see the formation of T3 hormone or triiodothyronine molecule. Now this occurs in presence of enzyme or the residues of diiodotyrosines. Now diiodotyrosine residue, they both contribute to the formation of T3 and T4 hormones. So first of all is the formation of T3 hormone, that is also known as triiodothyronine. So now let us draw the structure. So this is the T3 and now this is the T4 here. Now they both will undergo the proteolysis. So removal of the protein moiety attached to them known as thyroglobulin. So here will be the removal of thyroglobulin protein through proteolysis process and leads to formation of T3 and T4 hormones. So now first of all let us draw the structure of T3 hormone. So this is the structure of triiodothyronine. Known as T3 hormone. You can see here this is the structure of triiodothyronine. Now let us draw the structure of thyroxine molecule. This is tetraiodothyronine, so one iodine will be extra in this. Then the T3 hormone. So this is thyroxine, the T4 hormone also known as tetraiodothyronine. So these are the two structures of T3 and T4 hormones, and this is all regarding the metabolism of tyrosine, in which the synthesis of thyroid hormone is accomplished. So I hope students now the synthesis of T3 and T4 hormones is clear to you.